This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marnie Weaver. Price to sell. This cute 4/2/2 home has an open floor concept, vaulted ceilings and crown molding throughout the entire home. Brand new roof August 2022, solar panels installed in 2020, will be paid off at closing. Newer hybrid water heater, 2020, and new garbage disposal. The backyard has extended concrete patio allowing for grill and outdoor furniture. 5-camera video surveillance with monitor included and security system owned, small fee to monitor. Panther Trace community has LOW HOA, resort-style community pool, tennis and basketball courts, gated playground area and large recreational field for residents. Located off Highway 301 in Riverview with easy access to Interstate I-75 with 20-minute drive to downtown or go south to Gulf Beaches. Within a 5 to 10-minute drive, Riverview offers many options for dining, shopping, schools, hospital, and much more. For more information